how to download alternate watch. So if you want to download alternate watch, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. You need to simply go for the search, and you can search for alternate watch and hit the enter button, and here you will have alternate watch, right? So you need to simply go for the first option, and when you click on the first option, here you will have this kind of interface, right? So you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have download option, right? So if you want to download the application, you can simply have the download buttons. Click on download. You can simply choose the latest version, and once you click on download, you can again click on download, which is here. And once it's downloaded, you can simply go for the upper right, which has the download option. Click on the download, and so now on the upper right, you will have this little arrow, right? Click on the arrow, and here you will see that it is being downloaded. So click on full download history, and here it's taking some time to download. Just wait for some time, and you can click in join folder, and here you will have this folder. So simply open that, and here you will have your alternate watch. Just click on extract all, and then extract. Now once you've extracted, you can open that, and here you will have the application. So that's how you install or download the application, and now you can simply click on that application, and then you can run that or play with that. So you can simply go for your search, and from here you can search for your alternate watch, and here you will have alternate watch application. Click on the application, and then you can simply open the application, and you can simply play. So that's how you can download your alternate watch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.